Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's your brother, your friend, Casey Brand TV show. You know what you're doing. For your first time here, make it try, make it subscribe, leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Here we talk about migrant and document issue. They bring information to our beautiful people so that you will be updated of what they happen around us as we did the Europe side. So today updates now, but we'll talk about some Italy issues and German issues. Today now, we talk about the new bonus with the grant. But before I start, I beg making a try and share this video to our lovely ones and our friends and our families, and making a like this video also. Understand? So you'll be first person, as in you will be newcomer. I beg me try me subscribe. Now here with the learn, we talk about migrants, document issues, we they deliberate on different things about migrant issues. Understand? So we're here to learn and to educate one another. If you have any question, you can hit on the comment section. Understand? If you want to add to this video, you can add also. So everything is free here. Share and like and subscribe is free. Understand? So Moku hit today. You understand? So because you don't take away some courts, they present this case where they call asino needle. Asino needle me as the bonus needle. Understand? For children who don't wish to go nursery school. Understand? Say if your pikin don't reach from 1 year up now, if you put them for nursery school, all those kindergarten school. Understand? What the pikin fit they carry on so that the parents go fit go work. Understand? So when mama or papa wey no get work, they fit go look for job. So because of now citizens and the foreigners wey get long-term resident permit, na fit go for this bonus for needle. So last month some authorities submit some appeal for their court for Milano, say make they still let all those people who get no long-term resident permit, that is people who get resident wey get 2 years or 1 year or so or 6 months, make they still go for these bonuses, because it be like discrimination where you go let all those people wey get 5 years they go, while the one wey get no long-term resident permit no fit dey access for this bonus. So all those ones still get children for house, and those ones still need to go look for job, and those ones still need to go back to their working places. Understand? So this bonus now for based on your Ize. Understand? If your Ize no pass like 9,000 or 10,000, so you fit go access for this bonus. Understand? So now bonus needed they call them. So if you know see your bonus no reach all those amounts, understand, you just go their site, inside you click bonus needed, you go see the information. Or if you way the way you get children we need to go for nursery school, this kindergarten, you fit go CAF or CGLA, go ask them say you want to do this bonus for bonus needle, they go help you. Understand? So you still start the application for say now Ize don dey expire for this month. As you renew your Ize, you get picking for hand, you fit go request for this bonus needle. It dey helpful. Understand? The government they pay 1,500 to 3,000 euro for your pikin wey you put for school. Now they go dey pay and directly, understand, to the people for school. They go dey support you to dey pay your pikin for nursery school, that you fit go look for work, or you wey you get work, you fit continue your work as a woman and man. So the thing no go dey too dey disturb you now. So understand, because sometimes when woman go born as a foreigner, the woman go dey house, no go dey go work again, or fit see chance to find work. So with this one now, you fit go meet your go your commune, meet your assistants, they fit help you do for this go on for this bonus needle. But if you fit on your own, just go CGL or CAF, ask for patronato, they fit help you do this bonus needle. Understand? So if you use this bonus till they carry on with your pikins for nursery school, till they support to dey pay the nursery school, because some nursery schools, some are private, so now they go help you, they pay everything. So then they talk say not be only people wey get long-term resident permit go fit dey access, make they still let people wey get short-term resident permit. Understand? No long-term resident permit still dey access for this bonus. So now this one have the updates of people for bonuses for bonus needle. Understand? So you need to go for this bonus. If you know say you get pikin wey don reach 1 year, 2 years, understand, till 3 years. No say 3 years up, you fit put them for normal nursery school without no paying funds. But this one, this from 1 year to that 3 years, you need to pay, because many of them are private, so you need to pay funds. So if you want, say your money not too dey balance, if you go for this bonus, government go help you assist for this the fees of the pikin for the nursery school. So they go help you, they pay some of the money, so they give 1,500 to 3,000 euro a year. Now they pay. So if it expire, if you see the renewal, understand, so based on your Ize, understand, so go and ask information for IMS website and go to CAF or CGLA, ask them about this bonus needle if you get pikin for 1 year up to 3 years, so that after 3 years you are free to put your pikin for school without no paying funds for school fees. You know, so from 3 years everything are free, understand. But if you want to put her for nursery school, that kindergarten, you need to pay because not private. So I make government still bring out this bonus, so me, you know, they feel they give bonus for you to me for you to pay for the, you know, the school levels. So what we hit for another matter for camp for Barry. You get one camp where they Barry, understand. These people, they don't dey live for this camp for many years, almost 10 years. Now these migrants, they stay for this camp. So fire come enter the camp on the 22 of December, understand. So fire enter the camp and they come make many migrants come dey outside, understand. Many migrants come dey outside when this fire enter their camp. They say a group of migrants in the southern Italian city of Bari is being relocated after an abandoned building in which they has been living caught fire last week. The blaze raised concern about the living condition of the migrants and speaks tension with local police. Fire broke out on December 22 at a former high school in the southern Italian city of Bari, where some 60 migrants have been living for the past 10 years. All the migrants escaped unharmed after the incident. The building was declared unfit for human habitation by authorities, speaking tension between the police and migrants who wanted to return inside. After the fire don't burn the house, don't enter, now they can't, you know, they can't call fire brigade, fire people, they fight fire, you know, they can't quench the fire finish. So after they don't quench fire finish, nobody injured. So the migrants now, they want to try go back to their various facilities where they stay. So the police authorities say no, the house, no, as fire don't enter, nobody go inside. Now they say where they want when they leave. So they come, you know, they still took it inside to go live. They understand, they still go inside. So now authorities with some protesters come and they say no, that place no good. Now the mayor of the city of the Bari come to say make they leave them, make they dey the house, because these people now 10 years, and these people now they no be migrants. Maybe they call them migrants again. They are not migrants. They are adoptive residents. They adopt them. They be like adoptive residents. They don't take 10 years, not be small picking years. So 10 years don't take. So they be adoptive. They not be migrants. They are called adoptive residents. So that building now, building where the empty school, now there those migrants they stay. So now some authorities now, organizations that they find, they want to relocate many of them, go put for better facility, like people will get children with their age children, they want carry them come out, go they don't put them for better place. So while the rest people now they find another, you know, location where they want to put them, and some organization they bring bed, bring foam, bring food, bring water, give them food ready till they carry on for that place where they did for Barry. Understand? So this one they try for this one, what they do for these migrants. Understand? They retry. They retry for this for what they do for the migrants. Understand? So the mayor, make I still read some. The municipal administration has announced that it is looking for accommodation for the people. That is the municipality, that is the commune, that is the municipality. Administration has announced, but it is that they are looking for accommodation for the people affected by the incident. The only family with an underage child living inside the former school has accepted accommodation in the house of a local community. They don't give people who get family underage. We are finding bed in all structures we have in the city, said Mayor Decaro. They are not migrants anymore, the mayor went on to say, referring to the building residents. They are adoptive Bari residents, the city na Bari, who live here and and are loved by the community. They have lived there and they are loved by the community. You see the kind, you get the way some migrants go take live life for some kind city like this or some kind area. The citizens go come love them. Like if one wrong, they no go use that one till they judge the rest. You see, fire enter now, they like to go inside. Some people come say no, wey dem no let them go inside, which kind thing, make they leave them, make they as in when they wan discharge them comot for the city. But na the mayor say make they let them go inside. The one wey get family, make they carry them go put for better accommodation. So the rest wey no get family, they look for better accommodation for still them. You see, and then they give them the fine bed, different things to take arrange the rooms, the new house wey they don give them. You see, as some migrants they live and they give them, you get what you say every good thing wey you do for life, good thing go still dey come back. So the good things wey dis migrants don do for the city na make good things dey come. This na bad thing dey play, they for don change dem comot for the ground. So this na good thing wey this community wey dey call Bari dey help the migrants for. Understand? So na on that new better ogbonge news, you see say Italy Italy cities dey try based on the way e live. Understand? So make we enter German own. My German fans, make we enter in our own, make we go read wetin happen for that side. Understand? They say asylum procedure have slowed down at Germany Aachen City. Aachen City. Aachen Center. They say na Aachen Center. It's a Aachen Center. People know that Aachen Center wey let's know they keep migrants. Let's say that place na be the most places they cramp migrants. Or if you enter Germany, you want to go seek for asylum, that place they keep them what they call Aachen Center. So they say if people they go to request for asylum, the procedure now don't they slow. Understand? They say the waiting time between the submission of an asylum application and the decision issued by the applicable authorities running an Aachen Center was at an average of 8 to 5 months between January and November 2020. The average duration of all asylum procedure in total during the period was only slightly faster of 8 to 3 months. The average duration of asylum procedure is therefore reported to have significantly increased this year. In 2019, it was just over 6 months, according to government data. They say the way things come, the people wey dey that camp na that Aachen Center, the people wey request for asylum protection, the procedure it is slow. Understand? Last year the thing still fast, but now they reach 8 months. Now they say they reach like 8 to 5 months before they go come answer you. But from 2019, understand? 2019, they take 6 months, they don't answer you. Understand? So let's say that Aachen place, now there you go sick, now there you go day, they don't answer you, if you can relocate to under different place. Understand? So they say many people they complain, say that they don't take for that place, the procedure now just is slow. So the German Minister of Interior come put the blame based on this corona issue. So the German German Ministry of Interior explained that the development was primarily related to the global COVID-19 pandemics. It added, however, that the number was comprised of various factors, including the fact that since the onset of the pandemic, negative asylum decision has almost completely stopped. Negative. They say now, based on this corona issue, negative decision has almost completely stopped. People that they give negative now, they don't pause am, they don't stop am based on this corona issue. They don't put am for corona issue head though. Say na corona matter maker, they only give negative for now. The minister highlighted that this was because the possibilities of asylum applicants to largely appeal against negative decision was severely limited during the height of the pandemic. Where this corona come now, they can't reduce am. They no come dey give negative for now, they reduce it based on this corona issue. Now they can't reduce negative. Understand? Because this corona issue, and no go fit say give person negative, corona can go back. So they can't suspend this their flights. So don't fit come dey repatriate, dey go back like that now. They come dey slow the repatriation of jama now. So because of this corona issue, all the blame of this fasting and slowing of asylum request now, they put am for COVID-19 head. So they say negative decision now, they pause am, e stop because of the pandemic still dey ground. Abeg, if the pandemic still comot, make una still, make una still pause am like that. Make una still give people doku. Understand? When I see jam, when I see they give people doku, people wey pass their asylum request, when I give them. Understand? People wey know say that when I study them. When people don dey for that country for many years, another years say they don give. E dey hard. E dey hard. This corona issue, e pass war. Corona issue pass war. This corona life wey don take. Na life wey people wey don die for this year, na people wey supposed to die for like 50 years time, 50 years coming. Now just comot for just 1 year. So population, they don lose many population. So people wey still survive, wey be foreigners, wey know say they just dey for the country for many years, wey obey the rules and regulations. When I beg, when I see release doku give them, na beg with the beg. When I see release doku give them, make una still put them for better facilities. Some people dey complain. This migrant organization, they say the place where they put them, na they cramp them. They say Akon Center were set up in 2018 as a cornerstone of Siofa, which shall come be Siofa, national city, Siofa, migrant policy. Asylum seekers stay there until they receive a decision on their asylum application. Refuge organizations, however, have long criticized the facility for cutting asylum seekers off from society and of offering inhuman living conditions. Say the places they put them, they don't like them. They too dey crowd them for that center, that Akon Center. They say the crowd wey dey there no e too much. Make they try, make they change the facility. Make they like to dey spread them because of these corona issues. Understand? Make they give them better facility. Understand? Better place where migrants fit dey stay, because they be human being. No be, it's not good to be inhuman. They are all human beings. So make they try, make they upgrade their level of migrants for that side. So, and make the people wey dey seek for asylum application, make they make am still dey fast. Make they seek for asylum protection, make they the procedure dey fast. We pray wey this corona issue comot, as they don stop negative because of corona issue. Abeg, if corona still stop, make una still make everything positive for those migrants' life, because e no easy. People don stay there for many years. Understand? So na the update today. My brothers and sisters, abeg, when I keep in hand clean for any country wey I dey. I know say e no easy. It's more keep on hand clean, understand? So the way you still live your life and the way they go till they follow us. So say some kind place there like that, where one person go do something, they go use until rub the rest people head. I beg, make we just take the life jeje, understand? So now today news, I beg, when I give doku all those German people, I beg, when I give doku, as na just pause negative, making a portion of that. This corona issue no be small pikin matter. This, we don't know wetin dey cause this corona. They take life. Everybody just repent, change things. When life dey, everybody live life peacefully. Nobody be foreigner for this life. This earth dey, nobody get am. We just come for visit, and nobody go still follow, still go back, go for come from. So making and let everybody live life well, so that God go forgive us our anything we do. So now today news, my brothers and sisters, when I share this video, when I like this video, make we they come here, they learn how to educate one another. I beg, subscribe to your first time here. More updates will come in. My brothers and sisters, stay blessed and stay safe.